Hello student, I am S.K. Misra, teacher of maths in DAV CCL grade E. Today I am going to start the chapter construction of triangles. A triangle has 6 elements, 3 sides and 3 angles. For drawing a triangle, any 3 elements must be given, either 3 sides or 2 sides 1 angle or 2 angle 1 side, etc. First question is construction of a triangle when 3 sides are given. Just like your question is construct a triangle LMN in which LM 5 cm, MN 5.6 and NL 4.2 cm. We take any side as a base, just like we take here MN 5.6 centimeter whose length is 5.6 as a base, and we draw first line MN length 5.6 centimeter, 5.6, 5.5 and 5.6, and join it. This is MN. Now next side is LN 5 centimeter. LM 5 centimeter. We draw an arc of radius 5 centimeter with center M. Draw an arc. And next side is NL. So with center N, taking center N, and NL is equal to 4.2 centimeter. We draw an arc. 4.2 centimeter. We draw an arc which cuts the previous arc at a point, and this point of intersection is called L, and then join ML and LN. And write the length of side MN 5.6 centimeter, LM 5.5 centimeter, and LN is 4.2 centimeter. Again, next question is construction of a triangle when 2 sides and 1 angle is given. Construction of a triangle when 2 sides and 1 angle is given. Question is draw a triangle ABC in which angle A 120 degree, AB is equal to AC 3 cm. Draw the bisector of angle A. First we draw a rough sketch. Here ABC is a triangle ABC in which A is 120 degree. This is rough sketch. AB and AC 3 cm. AB and AC 3 cm. Draw bisector of angle A. So first we draw AB is of length 120 centimeter. AB is of length 3 centimeter. First we draw a side AB is equal to 1.3 centimeter. AB is 3 centimeter. This side is AB. At point A, draw an angle of 120 degree. By using compass, we draw an angle of 120 degree. $60 and another 60, and then join and produced it. Along AX, cut off AC is equal to 3 centimeter. Cut off AC is equal to 3 centimeter. AC is equal to 3 centimeter, and this point is C, and join BC. Join BC. Thus, ABC is the required triangle whose side AB and AC 3 centimeter each and angle A is 120 degree. Now, third question is construction of a triangle when two angles and one side are given. Just like draw a triangle ABC in which BC 8 centimeter and angle B and angle A both 50 degree each. So first we draw a rough sketch. BC and angle B is 50 degree, angle A is 50 degree and BC is 8 centimeter. Here C is not known. So for constructing a triangle we must have the value of angle C, and we know that we have a property angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is 50 degree, B is also 50 degree, plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree is equal to 80 degree. Now, we construct a triangle. So, BC is of length 8 centimeter. BC is of length 8 centimeter. BC is of length 8 centimeter. BC. Now angle B is 50 degree. We cannot construct the angle 50 degree, 80 degree, 70 degree with the help of compass, because we construct those angles which are the multiple of 15 by the using with the help of compass. We do not draw a angle which is not multiple of 15 with the help of compass. So we must need here protractor, and by using protractor we draw an angle B as 50 degree. B is equal to 50 degree. So from 0 this one is 30 and draw a line produced to X, and angle C is 80 degree. Another angle is C is 80 degree. Just we use 80 degree. Now here we start from upper portion 0, 1 to 80. This one is 80 and join C and that point which cuts the previous line at a point which is here A. Thus ABC is the required triangle whose angle B is 50 degree, angle A also be 50 degree, and BC is 8 centimeter. Now another question is construct a triangle PQR with PQ 7.5 centimeter, angle RPQ 45 degree, angle RQP also 45 degree. Measure the third angle. What kind of triangle is it? So first we draw a rough sketch. PQR, angle RPQ is 45 degree, angle RQP also be 45 degree, and PQ is 7.5 centimeter. So we take here PQ as a base of length 7.5 centimeter. PQ as a base whose length is 7.5 centimeter. PQ is a base whose length is 7.5 centimeter, and join it. Now this one is PQ of length 7.5 centimeter. At point P draw an angle of 45 degree. So for constructing angle of 45 degree we construct the angle of 90 degree. First of all 120 we bisect, next 60, then 60 plus 30 is equal to 90. Just we take point on arc of angle 90 degree and we bisect this 90 degree, arc of 90 degree, so we will get angle of 45 degree. And draw a line. And again at point Q, making first angle of 90 and taking its bisector 60, another 60. We bisect next 60 to two equal parts. This arc shows the angle of 90 degree. Now we take the bisector of this arc, then we will get angle of 45 degree and then join it and produced. Join and produced, which intersect the previous line segment, a line at point which is R. Then angle PQR is a required construction whose angle P is 45 degree and angle Q also be 45 degree. Now next question is, draw a right triangle with hypotenuse of length 5 cm and one side of length 4 cm. First we will draw a rough sketch. First we will draw a rough sketch. Taking angle ABC, let BC is a hypotenuse and 5 centimeter and one side is 4 centimeter. So we know that angle opposite to hypotenuse is a right angle. This one is understood, it is angle of 90 degree. So first we will draw line segment AB of length 4 centimeter. 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 And at angle A we make the angle of 90 degree. Angle of 90 degree. Angle of 90 degree. And AB is of length 4 centimeter. Now we will take an arc of length 5 centimeter. Length 5 centimeter with B as a center and radius 5 centimeter. Draw an arc which cuts the previous line AX at a point which is here C and join BC. Thus ABC is the required triangle. Thus ABC is the required triangle whose hypotenuse 5 centimeter, one side is 4 centimeter. Next question is, construct a right triangle having hypotenuse of length 5.4 centimeter and one of the acute angles measures 30 degree. First we draw a rough sketch taking ABC whose BC is hypotenuse whose length is given 5.4 centimeter and one acute angle is 30 degree and this angle must be angle of 90 degree. Then third angle must be 60 degree. So third angle, two angles of this right triangle are 30 degree and 90 degree. Therefore third angle is equal to 180 degree minus 30 plus 90 is equal to 60 degree. So first we draw a hypotenuse of length 5.4 centimeter. 5.4 centimeter. BC of length 5.4 centimeter. At point B, making an angle of 30 degree. Produced, and angle C is 60 degree. Draw another angle at point C whose which measures 60 degree, and join and produced it. Which intersect the previous line segment BX at point A. Thus ABC is the required triangle. Thank you, children.